This is a snowy evening in the woods cake. And if you want to take your fingertip, and usually it's a little with hot water, you can just kind of a little peek in there, take it off, and I'm going to put on a face. I've already got some pre-made marzipan carrots made, and I've molded these just before we started doing the cake, and I made different sizes. I ended up, this is rolled fondant, and I tinted it with orange food coloring, and I thought it would look cute if I placed a little carrot in the nose of the snowman. Okay. For demonstration, you can do another tree like that, or you can do these kind of trees that are more done with buttercream icing. You can have and I usually put the stem first, but for example, and then you'd have that in the background. You can have those kind of trees too. And then I just might make a little bit more snow on the bottom. Okay. And then you decorate the sides. Right now I'm going to be getting crushed coconut, but you could put chocolate or anything on the side if you want. I might put some stars in the sky, which I'm going to do right now.